Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be having a walkthrough on how to set up your email account as a first-time user. Ready to dive into the future of email messaging? Dmail is the go-to platform. First of all, using your PC browser, which has a wallet extension installed, visit Dmail website and connect your wallet, which will serve as your digital identity and email address. As you see, we have different blockchains from the EVM to the Tron blockchains. For this presentation, we will be using the Ton blockchain via Tonkeeper extension. Choose the Ton blockchain on the left and sign in via Tonkeeper browser extension. Approve the sign-in and voila, you are in the Dmail interface. Congratulations on owning your first Web3 email identity and welcome to secured, private, and convenient emailing. You will see a welcome mail from Dmail which highlights all the perks and things to look out for. On the left-hand side, you will see your inbox, starred, drafts, spam, and trash. If you look lower, you would see the earn rewards and other sections. That is it, guys. In my next video, we will look at sending and receiving mails via your Dmail. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.